Hello guys, so I've been seeing this makeup trend online whereby girls use calamine lotion now to use as a primer before applying their makeup on, and people are like using it, and there's been this contemplation whether it's good or it's bad or the side effects of it. So we are going to break it down in this video. After breaking it down, I'll leave it to you to decide and know your thoughts about it. So let's get right to this video. Now, using calamine lotion as a makeup primer. Now, for some people that don't use makeup, primer is what you apply on your face before you start adding like the pancake or the foundation or your eyeshadow, your lip liner and everything. Like, it's like the base for every makeup before it is applied. This trend, when I saw it, I was like, first of all, I would say this, that calamine lotion is mainly used to treat skin problems. Skin problems like chickenpox, measles. So in order for you to know if this is good or if it is bad, you have to actually understand the ingredients that make up calamine lotion. When I first of all saw this trend, I tried to understand why would they use it in the first place. Now, if you've suffered from chickenpox or measles before, you would know that when you rub calamine lotion, it has this soothing effect that tends to like dry your skin. And I thought of it, anybody that has a very oily skin would want to try out that trend and say, okay, let's use calamine lotion to like dry up, because here is an astringent. Calamine lotion has that drying property whereby it dries off like the oils in your skin. So, and that is one use makeup primers in the market. I could understand from that angle why they would try to use calamine lotion in the first place. But then you have to really think of it. Calamine lotion, I've never known calamine lotion to be used for any other thing except those skin diseases which I mentioned. And for you to start using it as a makeup primer, definitely there's bound to be side effects. And we should understand that in as much as it may have that drying effect, that drying property, calamine lotion is meant to treat skin problems. Now, the main ingredients in calamine lotion are calamine, zinc oxide, and iron oxide. And you have to understand and compare it to your normal ingredients in primers and know whether these ingredients are good for you on the long run. That is why you normally see when people suffer these skin diseases, they rub calamine lotion maybe 4 to 5 days and then they stop it. They don't continue with it. So I'm going to be breaking down these ingredients for you and see why they could include this as a new makeup trend. Calamine lotion is known as something they call an astringent, which is that property that it has of drying your skin, like absorbing the oils in your skin. I was now reading further on an interview they did with a lady. I think she's a makeup artist, and she was discussing this new makeup trend of using calamine lotion, and she was like, using it could also help with acne scars. I'm like,
they shock you.
Acne scars. Firstly, there's no ingredient in calamine lotion that even helps in treating acne. Normally, ingredients that are very good for acne are vitamin A, which are your retinoids. Those are very powerful ingredients that I know that people that suffer acne tend to go for. In fact, it's normally what I tell people that suffer terrible acne. Go for retinoids, vitamin A. They are very, very good in treating acne. And calamine lotion does not contain retinoids of any such. It does not even contain vitamin A. Secondly, I saw an argument on TikTok where someone said using calamine lotion as this makeup primer could also be a sun protecting factor, which that one, the person had some sense in what the person was saying, because calamine lotion contains zinc oxide, like I mentioned earlier, and zinc oxide has been tested to have some protecting factor against some UVs. Not all UVs. You have UVA, you have UVB, but it has not been gone. Tests have not been done for that to know which UV zinc oxide protects the skin from. I know that most sunscreens in the market contain zinc oxide. So the person made some sense in what he was saying, because it has zinc oxide in it, it could be used as a sun protecting factor. I'm still having some doubts about it. It's not as if when you pick up a sunscreen, the only ingredient you see there is zinc oxide. There are other ingredients too, which contribute to that sunscreen having its properties. So in my own conclusion, using Calamine Lotion as a makeup primer, at this point, I see it as drug abuse, because those ingredients, there are no justifications at all. There are no tests anywhere. It has never even been approved by any regulatory body that Calamine Lotion could be used as makeup primer. Never, not anywhere. So for me, I don't agree with that trend. I'm a makeup person myself, but using Calamine Lotion, like, damn. No. I could not even try it. I mean, primers were made for a reason. You have makeup primers in the market that you can actually go to purchase. You still have makeup primers that have some protecting factors, if some protecting factor is what you're looking for. You still have primers that absorb excess oils. I mean, come on. Why now abuse Calamine Lotion? That's just my own thoughts about this makeup trend. Let me hear your own thoughts about it in the comment section. Thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe.